Our goal today is to build a simple interactive control in GeoGebra. We begin, as always, by defining our basic elements. In the input bar, we'll establish two variables, a equals 1 and b equals 1. For this demonstration, I'll immediately set their values to slightly higher numbers in the algebra view, a to 7 and b to 4. To allow any user to change these values easily, we need input boxes. I select the input box tool from the menu and place the first one on the screen. I caption this box simply a equals. And then, this is the critical step, I link it directly to the variable a. I repeat this process for our second variable, caption it b tashars, and link it to the variable b. Now, the magic of linking is apparent when I change the number in the a box to, say, 6, the underlying variable instantly updates. This gives us full control over our parameters. Before creating our final control, let's define a value that depends on a and b. I'll define c equals a times b. Currently, with a at 6 and b at 4, c is calculated as 24. Finally, we need a binary variable to serve as our output, a simple true or false flag. We'll call this variable check and initialize its value to false. Now, for the core of the interactivity, a control button. I select the button tool and label it check value. We need a script to run when the button is pressed. Our condition is going to be simple. We want check to be true only when the product of a and b equals 30. The script is an if statement. If a times b equals 30, set value check to true, set value check to false. In plain language, it reads, if a times b equals 30, set the check flag to true, otherwise set it to false. Let's see it in action. With a at 6 and b at 4, the product is 24. When I click the check value button, check remains false. Now, I'll adjust the input boxes to meet the condition. Let's change b from 4 to 5. A is 6. 6 times 5 is 30. When I click the button now, check successfully changes to true, verifying our conditional script.